amongst all of the track time that I've done, you guys, and I have done quite a bit. I've done now, I believe it's 40, I want to say 41 track days on 17 different road courses across 3 states. There's only 2 left, which is Thunder Hill and Buttonwillow. The highlights, as you kind of get better and you get faster and you get exposed to different drivers, that kind of thing, and your skill is getting better as a driver, you start to pick up the pace. I've been lucky enough to enter and win first place in multiple time trials, and I'm not trying to brag, but I ran a time trial at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. And time trials, you guys, for anybody out there watching who don't know, it's where we all rent transponders. This is usually in the advanced street class group or in the race car group. These are the 2 upper echelon groups. And for anybody who's watching out there, any of the haters out there who always complain about my driving without point buys, there are groups out there who do track time and motorsports without point buys. We're not all novices, bro, okay? These guys are hysterical. But anyways, I was lucky enough to win a time trial at Las Vegas Motor Speedway. That was my first win. I was super, super excited. The second one, which to be honest, I feel like I'm even ultra proud of, even more proud of, I should say, was my first place win at AutoClub Speedway. Anybody out there who tracks in California, you know AutoClub Speedway, especially if you track with Pro Autosports. AutoClub is pretty hardcore. It's a very, very unique environment. Anybody out there who doesn't know, you guys, AutoClub is, it's got a massive outfield section that they call the playground. It's, the straight allows the ZL1, my personal ZL1, to get up to almost 160 miles an hour before I enter turn 1. So it's pretty high speed. The cool thing too is it's a total power track, so it allows us to really flex those big horsepower cars can flex. They can, there's plenty of room to pass too, because it's so many straights. But the cool thing about my win at AutoClub, and this is what made me really proud, you guys, is I was in the group. We had a Ferrari 458 Challenge GT3 car. We also had, this was the big one, you guys, I had a 2019 Porsche GT3 RS. And you ready for this? This is the good one. 2019 Corvette ZR1, 755 horsepower Corvette that was also wearing track wheels and slicks. And I beat their lap time. So, talk about elated. It was just super, super exciting, basically, especially, you guys, because I'm driving a daily driver and I'm on street tires. I doubt that either one of those guys daily, their GT3 RS or the 755 horsepower ZR1 on slicks, you know that thing's not going to work. So I was pretty proud of that, and I still am. And like I said, the goal is basically just to kind of get exposure and to travel, have some fun. But at the same time, I know objectively, especially from the time trial competitions and stuff like that, I've definitely gotten faster. And and like I said, I've had a great time. And when you get that time to, if you're lucky enough to have that kind of time to travel and to get exposed to those road courses, do it, and do it now, you guys. Do it now. It's another message in this video. A lot of the guys out there, they aspire to go to the track, they want to go to the track, and I'll do it when I get older. I'm going to do it when the kids get a little older. Life happens, shit happens, things happen. You need to try and chase it now. Chase it now when you're young. It takes a significant amount of energy, planning, head work, money. They're definitely going to need some money. So I can understand some people wanting to hold off on it, but money comes and goes, man, and you can make the money again later. So do it now. Follow your dream now. This path that I'm on, or this kind of mission that I've set myself on, it's something that I'll cherish for the rest of my life. As somebody in the medical field, I've done a lot of time in school. You get out of school and what do? You just work. That's all you do. There's no more goals set. So for me, it's kind of just a personal thing too. It's a personal goal that I set for myself, and it excites me. It's something to look forward to. It's something to work towards. It's an amazing feeling. It's an amazing feeling, and that's something that I wanted to share with you guys. And because it's an amazing feeling, it's something I enjoy. Just the last thing I'll leave you guys with, I've shared this amazing feeling and joy and passion with even the people that I love. I have been on track with my wife multiple times, with my ISF and with the ZL1. You guys can actually see one of the videos. I'll put a link in it in the bottom in the description where I took my wife out to Wild Horse Pass and she was screaming her head off in the car. And I think the video has like over 120,000 views or something like that. I think it's one of the most viewed Camaro ZL1 track videos, period. And it's because she's screaming her head off. I've been on track with my brother at Arizona Motorsports Park. We had the displeasure of being kicked out or black flagged because the car is too loud. So I owe my brother a track day, but we did a session and a half, not even. We did 2 half sessions. First session, somebody dropped oil. Second session, we got booted because of we broke the sound restriction, which was 96 decibels. The car's at 103 or 104. I've also had the pleasure of taking my father-in-law out on track. So, and that was in my ISF at Arizona Motorsports Park. So I've had the joy of sharing that passion with my family, and it's kind of cool. And I brought my mom out to the track once. She didn't want to get in the car, but she was more than willing to come out and kind of watch, which is exciting. You know, even as an adult male, man, you still get excited because your mom's out there watching. It's kind of funny, man, but it's the truth. The thing that really tickled me, this was super cool, is that one time when when I brought my father-in-law out, my mother-in-law attended. She didn't want to get in the car, but she took a video of the kids rooting for me as I went by. And my God, what a great feeling. What a cool video. So again, it's something you can indulge in. And I would advise you to do it now. And it's something that you can share with people, and it's something unique and it's special. And I'm not saying that people out there have to track like I do, where I'm doing 7, 8 track events a year, but all I'm saying is if you find interest in that, do it now. Chase your dream now. It's not going to be easy for you to get in and out of some low car when you're 66 and you got bad knees and a bad hip, all right? And you're just old and slow and fat, basically, here, okay? So chase those dreams. Like I said, I started out with a Lexus ISF, 4-door luxury, sports sedan, and now I'm driving one of the fastest American cars ever made. So the addiction is real, and it will occupy you, and it can kind of consume you. It'll definitely change your what you like to do with your car. Let's put it that way. Once you start doing track days, car shows are a no-no. They just seem like boring as hell. Nobody wants to look at them. You just want to go out and drive them. But anyways, you guys, I just wanted to give you a little heads up on just kind of where I've been, my track day journey, and kind of where I'm headed. Like I said, I've got 2 more track days left to complete every road course in the 3 states. And then what I'm planning to do is head to Texas. I want to head to COTA, or Circuit of the Americas, which is an amazing, amazing road course. Absolutely insane. I think recently I saw a documentary on it on the Donut Channel on YouTube, and I think it cost $302 million to build that place. Absolutely amazing. And anybody who's seen the photos there, the way they paint the edges of the track, the photos are just insane, and the layout and the elevation change. It's a Formula 1 track, so absolutely amazing. But anyways, the plan so far is to head to, we've got Thunder Hill, we've got Button Willow, and then on to Circuit of the Americas, chasing that track day dream. And then by then, most likely I'll have traded the ZL1 in for the ZL1 1LE. And then, who knows, basically back to the same old circle again. I'm going to start just heading to my favorite California tracks, as opposed to shooting for every single one. There are some I like more than others. And that's going to be a subject I'm going to do in another video another time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys are inspired maybe by the track day resume, or you enjoyed kind of just the discussion of the journey. And I hope you guys are on your own journey. You guys take good care. We'll catch you guys on the next video, and thanks for watching. Do me a favor, you guys, if you like the video, go and hit that like and subscribe button. Just kind of keeps me going, making more videos. And like I said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again for watching, you guys. You take care.